Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 25th, 2024, and we've got an exciting lineup of stories from the world of technology, artificial intelligence, and automotive innovation. As always, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. First up, let's dive into the world of artificial intelligence. OpenAI has just announced a new version of their language model, GPT-5. This latest iteration promises to be more efficient and capable than its predecessors, with improved natural language understanding and generation capabilities. The AI community is buzzing with anticipation about the potential applications of this advanced model, from enhancing virtual assistants to revolutionizing content creation. In the realm of autonomous vehicles, Tesla has made headlines once again. The company has rolled out a significant update to its full self-driving FSD software. This update includes enhanced navigation capabilities and improved safety features, making Tesla's vehicles even more autonomous. Early testers have reported smoother rides and more accurate lane keeping, bringing us one step closer to a future where cars drive themselves. Switching gears to the world of electric vehicles, Rivian has announced a new partnership with Amazon. This collaboration aims to accelerate the production of electric delivery vans, with Amazon planning to deploy thousands of these eco-friendly vehicles in the coming years. This move is part of Amazon's broader strategy to reduce its carbon footprint and transition to a more sustainable logistics network. In other news, the tech giant Apple is reportedly working on its own electric vehicle project, codenamed Titan. While details are scarce, insiders suggest that Apple is focusing on integrating cutting-edge technology and design into their vehicle, potentially setting a new standard for the industry. The project is still in its early stages, but it has already sparked significant interest and speculation. Finally, let's talk about the latest developments in battery technology. Researchers at MIT have unveiled a new type of lithium-ion battery that promises to charge faster and last longer than current models. This breakthrough could have significant implications for the electric vehicle market, potentially reducing charging times and increasing the range of EVs. As battery technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advancements in the coming years. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the latest advancements in technology and automotive innovation. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and insights. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the future.